Today's topic is non-financial objective. We traditionally believe and understand that money is everything. But some organization, some people work for other reason, not exactly for getting money. And these are the non-financial objective. Charity organization, first of all, I'm talking about the social objective. Charity organization, government sector, big organization, public sector, I mean railway, city corporation. Obviously, recently these are getting privatized, worldwide privatization. But though these are being privatized, but these organizations are not money oriented, financial target oriented. So these organizations, they might have two motives: earning money and benefiting people, and these are called social objective. Except social objective and target same thing. Except besides social objective, there is a second reason, that is personal satisfaction. Many individuals or person work for personal satisfaction. Whether money come or not, many people start their business beyond the traditional calculation, and that is for personal satisfaction. Many investors understand making cake might not be suitable or financially benefiting. Despite having financial reality, they might start particular job just for mental satisfaction, and this is personal satisfaction. You know that many investors, they understand investing overseas, investing in exceptional sector, there might have risk. The direct profit might not get available despite having many negativity, many problem. Those investors invest only for proving their challenge. Example, yes, new sector. New sector, in traditional sector, new sector where normal people don't invest. Many people invest not for money. Moreover, they want to see their ideas are working. These are called challenging sector. This is also non-financial. So I have told work for the society, this is social target or objective. I have told personal satisfaction. Now I have told the challenging sector. Last of all, the fourth point is independence and control. Many people don't like to be famous. They like to be a small entrepreneur like me. Because they want to enjoy the independence, control. Their policy not like to be bigger, their policy remaining smaller. Why? They want to enjoy the freedom, informal personal activities. Because when a company becomes bigger, automatically there are more formalities, more people might be involved. Okay? So more directors, more official activities, so there is a lack of control. But a small entrepreneur, where there is a little number of people, so no chance of losing control. So many business don't emphasize on money. Moreover, they emphasize on their own control. All types of sole trader, all types of small entrepreneur, they remain small for maintaining their control, for maintaining their independence. Thank you very much.